Interstate 95, stretching over 1,900 miles from Miami, Florida to Holton, Maine. The highway passes through 15 states, making I-95 the longest interstate with the most states traversed along its route. Interstate 95 is a vital transportation link for commerce and tourism, connecting some of the largest metropolitan areas on the East Coast, including Miami, Florida, Washington, D.C., and New York City. Interstate 95 is the main artery of what they call the Northeast Megalopolis, which is the most densely populated part of the United States. Interstate 95 is the main interstate highway from Central Virginia to Boston, Massachusetts. If you've ever driven anywhere on the East Coast, you'll be no stranger to the traffic that can build along the I-95 corridor around major cities. Interstate 95 carries more than 110 million tons of freight each year and is vital for global logistics. Interstate 95 is also the oldest interstate highway in the United States, with its first segment opening in 1956.